Semantic retrieval. Data stores provide semantic retrieval. Semantic means based on the meaning. The data stores performs an intelligent search not just on keywords but on the meaning or semantic of the query. It is different from keyword search where you put a keyword and search is performed to find that keyword. In the context of search, this means that a semantic retrieval system is able to take a specific user query, find relevant chunks of content related to the meaning of that query, and provide them to your application so a LLM can generate a response that is grounded in your particular content. For example, a customer's question about tech support for a specific device can include troubleshooting steps from that device manual. Or a user can find a past sales proposal document by describing the use case and products used in that proposal. This technique of chunking data, searching for the relevant chunks at query time, and then building a generative response based on those chunks is called Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG. Now let's break down exactly what are the steps to implement this. Step 1. Data connection. Establish connectivity to the source. Step 2. Chunking. Automatically split documents into smaller contextually rich sections. Step 3. Embeddings. Generate numeric representations, that is vectors, for each chunk. Step 4. Indexing. Index the embeddings for fast semantic lookup and retrieval at query time. Now you can see you can implement all these steps by yourself, but AI applications data stores can save you a large amount of time and effort in enabling this functionality. Data stores automate the process of connecting to your data, splitting data into chunks, generating embeddings for each chunk, and perform indexing of the embeddings. When a user asks a question or looks for a small piece of information, the relevant chunks can be retrieved quickly because of indexing. Data stores abstract and automate the entire RAG pipeline, as you can see here, significantly reducing the development time and effort.